once these things are
in place, you're ready to go.
so, yep, and then I just go. So this is worksheet number 9. The mic's here. Automatic, so just talk to it. All right, so worksheet number 9, I'm going to express the difference in simplest radical form. So what I want to do is I want to simplify this. I can simplify x cubed by bringing the x squared out. Let me first show it to you this way. I can break that down to that. Minus 2 times 27 can be broken down to 9 times 3. And then x squared times x. The x squared is going to come out as an x. We'll be left with 3x inside. Minus the square root of 9 is 3. The square root of x squared is x. You're going to get 6x on the outside. Inside you'll be left with 3x. I can now simplify these by putting them together. That'll be a minus x on the outside, square root of 3x on the inside. That's done. Next question, 37. What you want to do is you want to solve this. It's an absolute value inequality. So we're going to, I'm going to divide both sides by that negative 3 first. So we're going to get the absolute value of 6 minus x is, and again, dividing by negative 3, that's going to switch. And this is going to become a positive 5. To undo the absolute value symbol, you're going to create 2 inequalities. There's one. The other inequality is going to be set to their negative. I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. Negative x is greater than a negative 1. Multiply both sides by a negative 1. X is less than, it switches again. 1 over here, subtract 6 from both sides. Negative x is less than negative 11. Multiply both sides by a negative 1. X is greater than 11. Graph the solution set. Remember now, your solution set could be any one of 2. It's either going to be, here's your, we have 1 and we have 11. We have 1 and we have 11. So we're either going to be, since it's just strictly greater than, we're either going to be between those two numbers or we're going to be to the left and right of those two numbers. Pick a point in here. I'm going to pick 3. I'm going to plug in 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Absolute value of 3 is 3. 3 times a negative 3 is a negative 9. Negative 9 is not less than a negative 15. So this won't be the solution set. This will be the solution set. So that's what I'm going to graph. There's 1. There's 11. We're open. We're going this way. We're open. We're going this way. And that's your answer. Next and last question for worksheet number 3. Worksheet number 9, sorry, is we're taking the cube root of this. Remember, the cube root means we have a to the 6th, b to the 9th divided by negative 64. And we're raising all of that to the 1/3 power. That's what the cube root means. So all of these exponents in here are going to be multiplied by that 1/3. When I do that, a to the 6 times 1/3, or 1/3 of 6 is 2. B to the 9 times 1/3, 9 to the times 1/3 is 3, divided by the cube root of negative 64. What can you multiply by itself 3 times to get negative 64? That's a negative 4. There's your answer.